Today we're going to talk about adding a new bobbin. I have 4 loops on my hook in black. Now for the pattern that I'm using, I'm going to need 5. So we're going to go through these next 2 vertical bars, yarn over, and pull through. Now to add our next color, we're going to grab the other bobbin, and I like to leave a longer tail. We're going to go through the vertical bar that we had just used, that second vertical bar. We're going to yarn over and pull it through. Now, when I do this, I like to incorporate my tail. So for my next couple stitches, I have 7. So as I work with this, I'm going to go through the vertical bar. I'm going to grab my tail. Hard to see through the camera here. I'm going to go over, wrap the tail over my hook, yarn over, and pull through. Then my next stitch, I'm going to go through, yarn over, and pull through. The next stitch, I'm going to go through, I'm going to wrap my tail over it, yarn over, and pull through. Next stitch, go through, and since every other stitch, what you're going to in essence do is work over and under and over and under your tail, and in the back it will lock it in and drag it along your work. And since it's the same color, you're not going to see it in the end. So that's how you add a new bobbin when you're working with the TSS methods I use. Thank you.